This is second part of lesson number 2, Tinkerbell. Now see students what happened. As we know that in previous part we have discussed that Tinkerbell was living in the home of a writer. Now see what happened in the second part of the story. I think a cow got into the garden at night, I said quickly. As we know that in the end, as I discussed that in grandmother's garden there was a very good sweet sweet peas and that was destroyed. So now grandmother thinking that maybe cow came in the home and destroyed. Grandmother did not say anything but the look in her eye told me that she knew who had done the deed. That time grandmother did not speak anything about the Tinkerbell, but she understood that who had done this deed, or you can say work. The next day the gardener came to grandmother to show that he had been bending over the sweet pea bed, putting it right again. Then when Tinkerbell had come up quietly and butted him from behind. He refused to work in the garden until Tinkerbell was tied up. अब जो गार्डनर था वो हर रोज उनके घर आता था और गार्डन ठीक करता था. So next day what gardener told that to grandmother that he was bending down in order to make a proper this sweet pea bed and putting it right again. Then Tinkerbell came very quietly and here butted लिखा है word. Butted का मतलब होता है hit him head or horns, hit him with the horns. So the Tinkerbell was very mischievous and butted or used its horn and hurt this gardener. So gardener told that he will not come in the garden to make it proper. So he refused to work in the garden until Tinkerbell was tied up. जब तक आप टिंकरबेल को बांध के रखोगे नहीं तब तक the gardener told that he will not come in the garden to make it proper. And by the way, said grandmother, after we had calmed her down, when are we going to have that milk we were promised? Grandmother stroked his chin and tried to look innocent. And by the way, said grandmother, after we had calmed her down, when are we going to have that milk we were promised? So she told that if we will tied up, how we will get the milk from that cow, that promise whatever we have given. Grandmother stroked his chin and tried to look innocent. So grandmother was very innocent. She had not taken any decision. Tinkerbell began using her horns at every chance. So now Tinkerbell is not beating only a gardener, but every chance she was taking. Whatever person came to writer's home, she was using her horns and beating all the person. Tinkerbell began using her horns at every chance. The postman, the fruit seller, and our cook. Now the writer told that whatever stranger came, for example, postman came at our home, fruit seller came at our home, or our cook, those who is making food at a home, cooking at a home, all these persons were butted by this Tinkerbell. You can see in the picture the Tinkerbell using her horns and beating all. They dared not turn their backs on the dear Tinkerbell. So they didn't want to come at Tinkerbell's home, all these strangers. The climax came during the visit of one of my aunts. Climax कब आया? Turning point came in the story when my aunts come. This is a picture of aunt. She had been bending over a pot in the garden. Now you can see in the picture the aunt is putting the pot of the flower in the garden. At that time, see what happened. Looking at the geranium, when Tinkerbell decided to use her horns to move her out of the way. And this plant is a geranium flowers plant. And Tinkerbell's favorite flower is geranium. At that time, what she had done, it was when Tinkerbell decided to use her horns to move her out of the way. So Tinkerbell used her horns and butted the ant at the back side. You can see that ant was injured by the Tinkerbell. It was the end of the Tinkerbell stay with us, and now the grandmother was very angry, and that was the end of Tinkerbell to stay with us in our home. My aunt insisted that she had been badly injured, though she refused grandfather's offer of first aid. Now this aunt complained that she was badly injured by the Tinkerbell, but when grandfather told about the first aid any treatment, his aunt refused. Grandmother ordered the cook to take this Tinkerbell straight to the bazaar and sell her the first customer who came along. Now grandmother was very angry, very furious, and she had given the order to our cook. Cook means a person who was making cooking at their home. So she told that take this Tinkerbell straight to the bazaar, to the market, and sell this Tinkerbell who the first customer came along. Tinkerbell seems to know she was being taken away forever. So now Tinkerbell को पता चल गया कि अब उसको यहाँ से ले जाएंगे. Her eyes were quite moist and she was dragged unwillingly down to the road to the bazaar. तो उसकी आँखों में आंसू आ गए. ठीक है. She was very quite moist and she knows now that she was dragged unwillingly. Dragged unwillingly का मतलब है pulled against one's wishes. अब उसकी विश नहीं थी वहाँ से जाने की, उसको राइटर के घर पे ही रहना था, but now against her wishes she has to go down the road to the bazaar. Now see what happened. I stood at the gate and watched her being led away. Now the writer stood at the gate and watching that what happened with this Tinkerbell. Writer was a very small boy. He can't do anything, and he had to follow the order of his grandmother, and he has to follow the order of his grandmother. She kept looking back and bleating. The Tinkerbell was again and again looking back, and bleating का मतलब यहाँ है calling of God. जैसे God बोलती है ना तब कैसा आवाज़ आता है, वो हेल्प के लिए बुलाती है राइटर को. Wondering why I was not going along with her on this particular walk. Now the writer was thinking why I was not going when the God was calling to me. I could only wave to her and hope that her next owner would be kind. So the writer was thinking that I could only wave means I am just saying bye to God and thinking with a hope that his next owner will be very kind. मैं मन में ही सोचता रहा कि ऐसी आशा के साथ कि उसका दूसरा कोई ओनर हो वो उसको अच्छे से रखे. When the cook came back, he said that the Tinkerbell and had been sold for a rupee. जब कुक वो वापस आया तब वो बोलता है कि उसने टिंकरबेल को पैसे से किसी को बेच दिया. But later he told me that he had not sold. But afterward the cook told that he had not sold the Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell had taken her to his own house where she would be looked after well. And cook ने बोला कि उसने टिंकरबेल अपने घर पे ही रखी है और बहुत ही अच्छे से रखा है उसको. I did visit Tinkerbell occasionally. Now the writer was occasionally take the visit of Tinkerbell, and in due course I found her with a little white kid, and then due course the God had given the birth of a white kid also. Tinkerbell was giving the cook's family a good supply of milk, और कुक के फैमिली को वो बहुत अच्छे से मिल्क भी सप्लाई कर रही थी. They were very pleased with her, and उसका पूरा फैमिली टिंकरबेल के साथ बहुत ही खुश था. She was very friendly with everyone in the cook's house. So कुक्स के घर के सभी मेंबर के साथ वो बहुत ही फ्रेंडली थी. And only butted strangers who bent too low when giving the usual salam. And वो सिर्फ उसको मारती थी जो उसको unusual salam means way of greeting someone, जो उसको बहुत ही unusual वे से उसको ग्रीटिंग करने के लिए आते थे, सलाम करने के लिए आते थे, उसको ही वो क्या करती थी, बटेड यानी अपने होंठ से मारती थी. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे स्टोरी का एंड होता है एंड हियर दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द राइटर. रस्किन बॉन्ड was a very famous writer. Even this writer is still present. It's a very a great matter for a pleasure of us. Ruskin Bond was born in 1934. He is one of the India's best loved storyteller, and mostly he has written a children's story, and he loves forest, hill station and people of the region. His most popular work, The Room on the Roof and Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. He was honored with the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992, the Padma Shri and in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. He now lives with his family in a Landor, Missouri. So ये Ruskin Bond. Why was Tinkerbell tied up? See the question number 3. Why was the Tinkerbell tied up? Now look at here, the answer is given. टिंकरबेल को क्यों बांधा गया? टिंकरबेल वॉज टाइड अप बिकॉज शी वॉज यूजिंग हर हॉर्न्स एट एवरी चांस. तो वो जितने भी अननोन मीन्स स्ट्रेंजर्स आते थे उन सभी को वो अपने हॉर्न से मारती थी. उसका मतलब ये होता है वन डे शी बटेड द गार्डनर फ्रॉम बिहाइंड व्हाइल ही वॉज बेंडिंग ओवर द स्वीट पी बेड. द गार्डनर रिफ्यूज टू वर्क टिल टिंकरबेल वॉज टाइड अप. तो टिंकरबेल जो थी वो बहुत ही मिस्टीवियस टाइप की थी. हर बार अपने हॉर्न्स का यूज़ करती थी, सबको मारती थी. एक बार उसने गार्डनर को, जो गार्डन का ध्यान रखता था, वो गार्डनर को भी पीछे से मार दिया. ओके. और जब वो स्वीट पी बेड को अच्छे से अरेंज कर रहा था तब उसको मारा. और गार्डनर ने रिफ्यूज़ किया, मना किया कि जब तक आप टिंकरबेल को बांधोगे नहीं तब तक वो काम करने के लिए नहीं आएगा. I repeat once again for you students. Tinkerbell was tied up because she was using her horns at every chance. One day she butted the gardener from behind while he was bending over the sweet pea bed. The gardener refused to work till Tinkerbell was tied up. Okay. So this is the answer of question number 3. Now look at here. Question number 4. What prompted grandmother to get rid of Tinkerbell? I repeat once for you. What prompted grandmother to get rid of Tinkerbell? तो ग्रैंडमदर गेट रीड ऑफ का मतलब है छुटकारा पाना. तो ग्रैंडमदर ने क्यों टिंकरबेल से छुटकारा पाने का सोच लिया? नाउ लुक एट हियर. आंसर नंबर 4. Grandmother finally got rid of Tinkerbell when Tinkerbell butted the narrator's aunt. पहला थोड़ा बहुत तो ग्रैंडमदर ने जाने दिया, गार्डनर को मारा, फिर पोस्टमैन आता था, कुक आता था, ठीक है, कोई भी स्ट्रेंजर आता था उसको अपने हॉर्न से टिंकरबेल मारती थी. वो सब तो ग्रैंडमदर ने निगलेक्ट किया. बट फाइनली जब आंट को मारा टिंकरबेल ने अपने हॉर्न से, तब ग्रैंडमदर ने डिसाइड कर लिया. फाइनली गॉट रीड ऑफ टिंकरबेल व्हेन टिंकरबेल बटेड द नरेटर्स आंट विथ हर हॉर्न्स व्हाइल द आंट वॉज बेंडिंग ओवर अ पॉट इन द गार्डन. आंट तब उस टाइम पे पॉट रख रही थी गार्डन में. द आंट इंसिस्टेड दैट टिंकर हैड इंजर्ड हर, और aunt had complained to grandmother that Tinkerbell had injured her. I repeat once again for you. Grandmother finally got rid of Tinkerbell when Tinkerbell butted the narrator's aunt with her horns while the aunt was bending over a pot in the garden. The aunt insisted that Tinker had injured her. Now see the last question of this lesson. Why were Tinkerbell's eyes moist? I repeat once again. Why were Tinkerbell's eyes moist? यहाँ पे मतलब क्या होता है कि टिंकरबेल की आंखों में आंसू क्यों आ गए? टिंकरबेल की आंखों में आंसू क्यों आ गए? See the answer. It's a very important question. Tinkerbell's eyes were moist because she seems to understand that she was being taken away from the narrator's house forever. आई रिपीट वंस अगेन फॉर यू, टिंकरबेल की आईज में आंसू इसलिए आ गए क्योंकि अब उसको लगा, अब उसको समझ में आ गया कि अब उसको नैरेटर्स के घर से ले जाएंगे, किसी को बेच देंगे, यहाँ से ले जाएंगे हाउस फॉर एवर, फॉर एवर मीन्स हमेशा हमेशा के लिए, इसलिए उसकी आंखों में आंसू आ गए। आई रिपीट वंस अगेन फॉर यू, टिंकरबेल्स आईज वेर मॉइस्ट बिकॉज शी सीम्स टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट शी वॉज बीइंग टेकन अवे from the narrator's house for away. Okay, so these are the question answers of lesson number 2 Tinkerbell. You have to write word meanings as well as these 5 questions in your fair notebook, and at the same time you have to learn also. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you.